Every month you get a mortgage statement from your lender. It has a 1-800 customer service number on it. It has a website that you've probably been on to manage your online mortgage account, and you might even have their app on your phone. So the question is, shouldn't I just call them to have them do my refinance? They already have all my stuff, it'll be a lot easier. But that's not always the case. Number one, it's highly likely that the company that's sending you statements every month to make your mortgage payment isn't the company that did your mortgage. They're the loan servicer who is servicing your mortgage, but they're not the same company that helped you when you originally got your mortgage. Number two, mortgage servicers are typically very large companies. So if you were to call in asking about a refinance, you're probably going to be connected to somebody in a call center who has no idea about your file or your situation. It's usually someone that's hired to sit in a call center and answer questions with scripted answers that have been given to them. Their job is to get you to apply, and then your file gets passed on to somebody else and they move on to the next person. Number three, a lot of people think, well, they must have all my stuff already, so it'll be easier that way since they have my mortgage. Again, this is a new company, a servicing company. They don't necessarily have all of your paperwork and documentation, and even if they did, they would still need to get it updated because either way you're doing a new loan, and a new loan requires new documentation. And number four, these servicing companies, since they already have a big database of customers that they service loans for, they really don't have to be very competitive with their rates and fees. Many consumers think, well, they already have my business. I'm sure they want to keep me as a customer. I'm sure they're going to give me a really great deal. But if you do a comparison of what they offer versus what you can get elsewhere, I think you'll find a lot of times they're not the best deal. It doesn't hurt to get a quote from your current servicer, but I would highly recommend shopping that quote because more than likely you'll be able to find a better deal elsewhere, and it will be a lot easier process dealing with an experienced loan officer rather than somebody in a call center.